Welcome to Online Biz Breakthroughs. Imagine a channel started just months ago, now boasting over 700,000 subscribers and raking in potentially millions of dollars. It's not a fantasy, it's Fastic Videos, a phenomenon that erupted into the scene back in September of 2023. With content centered around the well-loved game, Put a Finger Down, this channel has managed to captivate a massive audience. Their videos are a hit, pulling in millions of views, and according to Social Blade, their earnings could be anything from $300,000 to an astounding $5 million. That's right, $5 million. Now that's a lot of zeros for playing a simple game. But what sets Fastic Videos apart? How have they managed to turn a game we've all played at parties into a goldmine? The answer lies in their strategy, their uniqueness, but above all, their anonymity. And the best part? They've achieved this monumental success without ever revealing a single face. You might be wondering, how did Fastic Videos accomplish such a feat? The secret lies in their innovative use of artificial intelligence. Now let's unravel how Fastic Videos has harnessed the power of AI to create their captivating content. They've leveraged this advanced technology to generate video scripts, edit footage, and even dictate the pacing and rhythm of their videos. This gives their content a level of consistency and efficiency that is hard to match. Consider this. AI doesn't get tired, it doesn't need breaks, and it doesn't have off days. It's like having an unwavering, tireless team member who's always ready to produce high-quality content. And let's not forget about the speed. AI can churn out scripts, edit videos, and finalize content much faster than a human could. But it's not just about efficiency. Fastic Videos is also using AI to keep their content fresh and engaging. AI algorithms can analyze trends, viewer behavior, and even the success of past videos to determine what kind of content will resonate with viewers. This means that every video Fastic Videos releases has been precisely tailored to appeal to their audience. For instance, if the AI detects that videos about put a finger down challenges are gaining popularity, it can swiftly produce a script for a new video on that topic. It's like having a finger on the pulse of the internet, always ready to ride the wave of the next viral trend. But here's the best part. AI isn't just for big companies with deep pockets. There are plenty of affordable, user-friendly AI tools out there that you can use to supercharge your own content creation. You don't need to be a tech wizard to use AI. With a bit of initiative and curiosity, you can start harnessing the power of AI just like Fastic Videos. Without a doubt, AI has played a pivotal role in Fastic Videos' success, but it's not just for the tech-savvy. It's a tool anyone can use, including you. Now that you know the secret behind Fastic Videos' success, it's time to see how you can replicate it. The key is to leverage the power of artificial intelligence, or AI, to create your own viral content. So how do you go about this? First off, you'll need to find an AI platform that suits your needs. There are numerous AI tools available online, many of them free or with affordable subscription plans. These tools can help you with everything from script writing to video editing, making the content creation process a breeze. And the best part? You don't need any technical skills to use them. Once you have your AI tool, it's time to decide on your niche. Remember, the Put a Finger Down game is just one example of a viral niche. There are countless others waiting to be discovered. Your niche could be anything that's trending, or even something unique that you think might catch on. The key is to find something that you're passionate about and that resonates with your target audience. After you've chosen your niche, it's time to start creating content. Use your AI tool to help you come up with creative ideas, write engaging scripts, and edit your videos to perfection. Remember, consistency is key. The more content you create, the more chances you have of going viral. Lastly, don't forget to promote your content. Share your videos on social media, collaborate with other creators, and engage with your audience. Remember, the goal is not just to create content, but also to build a community around your niche. The potential of this strategy is enormous. Fastic Videos was able to gain over 700,000 subscribers in less than a year, and there's no reason why you can't do the same. All it takes is a bit of creativity, some hard work, and the right tools. Who knows, you might be the next Fastic Videos. It all starts with taking that first step.